Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Kim, and I have another hair tutorial for you guys. This is a Faux Locs installation and take down tutorial. Okay, I remember in my previous video a lot of you were asking how to take it down, so I have this one for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I install this Faux Locs and how to take it down as well. So make sure to watch to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any part at all. Okay, relax and enjoy this video. I'm going to start with parting my hair, and the locks I'm going to use for this installation is from Nina Hair. This is their Faux Locs, and they sent 2 bags of the Faux Locs, and each bag contains like 3 packs of Faux Locs, and they also sent a crochet hook that I'm going to be working with. And this is what the Faux Locs looks like straight out of the pack. This is what it looks like, neatly done. The Faux Locs is neatly done. You guys can see the end and how neat these Faux Locs are. So I'm just going to show you guys the loop. This is, it can get as wide as you want it to be. Okay, let me just open it up and show you guys what the loops looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to start with this installation now, and do not forget I said I'm going to show you guys the takedown of this tutorial, so watch to the end. And I'm going to leave all details of this Faux Locs in the description box, so you guys should check my description box if you want to get these Faux Locs. Okay, check my description box for details on this Faux Locs. I'm going to open the Faux Locs up and then wrap. As I'm wrapping, I'm opening it up. Like as I'm wrapping it, the Faux Locs with my hair, I'm just going to be opening up the Faux Locs. I open and wrap, open and wrap, open and wrap. I don't know if you guys get it, but you guys will see what I'm doing in this video. So I'm basically just open the Faux Locs, turn, open, turn, open, turn, or open, wrap, open, wrap, open, wrap. Okay, anyone, guys. So you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So this is what I'm just going to, you know, show you guys, and I'm going to repeat this process like twice so you guys will, you know, see everything that I did in this video. After wrapping the Faux Locs around my hair, I'm just going to roll it up so everything will just blend. Like you guys are not going to see my hair in the Faux Locs. Just blend it up, roll it, roll till it blends perfectly well. And this is how neat it looks. This Faux Locs is really neat, and it is light. Loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Need myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? this is the final look. Your girl is looking all beautiful and really cute. I love these locks. They are light and the length of this locks is quite long. This is a waist length locks and I just use 3-pack, and in a bag it has 3-pack, so I use 1 bag but 3-pack. And this is what I mean. This is 1 bag. Inside 1 bag we have 3 packs of locks, so I just use only 3 packs of these locks that was sent to me. I did not touch this one at all because I just want something, you know, light, not too full. But if you're a team full hair, why not go for as many pack as you want to use? But I really want something very comfortable and classy as well. So let me know in the comment section if you are a team very full hair or just moderate like this one I have here. Leave that in the comment section. Let's know ourselves, okay? And I'm going to leave all details of this Faux Loc in the description box, so you guys do check my description box for, you know, details of this Faux Locs I'm having here, and give me a thumbs up if you've not done that already. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, and turn on your post notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. I will see you all in my next video.